the Diane Eduhene Jemfi Kwat na Kosia. Of course, latter part of the show no and it be lines not some Edia Mamo ama stories and be treated no Ghana in summer e be bosono monso mo de margine and I say my drink shre Edia Basanso and our messages, your comments, your views, what have you. It's welcome. Yeah, our Facebook no Koowaa na wa drop ye be kan in amount ewo. So go to Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some initiative, some TV, so you stream live or yeah, now what subscribe to your channel, no, now what like your page, no what comment, no what share, now a for front so and you be a share. As I say, and Koowaa OD for avian 4 bars, something queer boss, so and a Dory 5 Vigo plus for so no, I no pay you better almost say. Na yase bi so mo se omumpo mo tsen wonya Dory 5 Vigo plus na no ma eye enamu yade infections bia enetitiwa ebe clear no oba ohimfi onsen aba ho ebe clear no sebie so sebie nyato eba no candidiasis syphilis arthritis of course what apostle na eya anope make am for Dory 5 Vigo plus amase ko na kopebi na no mame wono no ma no ano no bibia ebe kama so na sebie so sebie nyato me so me kan wo se HIV money bi aboro ni peduema nonsense so no wo be no Dory 5 Vigo plus na chese etu asikune ede amawo but mo dey answer be friend number na that screen so now doctor atwetwe nkomo simple esifata se wo se oba no be delivery ede mawa obe ne sa pepepe ede amawo amawo krani etime age available in all pharmaceutical shops around you. Herbal shop be a tendro e na koji Dory 5 Vigo plus anope yebedo masi adomasia ensas and I make papa nyina even 4 bars saying quick wa papa matching papa umpo mo say minim say oba de na taroma ohoye odishi bia na adwene mo kanom we ni no ma basa e mobro wanya kekrafo bas ye nyina yeseno no enti ye ntutu meka na ye maja pekro bi pimo ja pekro ma ode ne dro be kan ma yaresa ye dia titu ye busuafo a wonu mo adwene mo e ka mo no enti na fi e ma ne enti faso ansana wotutu meka won san ba na go to japekrom papa adum o dro bi obepo what the best so audition a pumping and no you're free to go the whole enable say ayaresa ebe nedia ebe na team inside the shim insunomu bibia mu a papa se branch pekrom na obeboa wo nyina yes no so bibia wododo enti na nya watom eye odi for even 4 bars something kwekwe boa entwetwe nkomo na chese impose japekrom na wontimi nkwa o se waye krado baby a wo bia no obeba na aba be wadom sa pepepe ama bibia aye kama pa ediama so please call now talk to odi for na bibia enye kama nti baby a wo bia wo hwe no anope medawase adawase a ensan echa bebre mo amhwe wa manone. Good morning. How are you? I hope say wo ho eye. Nyankopon shra na onye wakoma swati nyina emfa emao. This boy ewo eye executives barbers and of course salon one more ena omo polish mitru ho e de emame. Aris boy, good morning to you and of course all the workers of it. Executives barbers and salon one more ewo Asqa Starbite opposite KFC na me inshamo na onyema kuma swade nyina emfa emamo. Ene maybe your line is not to me ediama maybe south say edia de na wo mpotema enkoyi edien ene wo mpotema etiti wo eye kwan eye kanea eye nsuo eno ene na no pay mi bebie mi tete phone na to me dia ma teni pa mi bi south say edien na wo mpotema etiti wutum say enkoyi watu aba na so mo kwan ye watu aba sebie son sebie nyaado ejan na bia ho kra enye sebie munya nsuo no kra na munya mpa enkoyi edien etiti wo ewo mpotema wo ehe na wo krobe na wo so eye kikam wo mikrom nzema ato abo hemfa boase ahwe akwanta he baby a wo bia bekwaya na baby a wo bia wo hwema no pe no mese ebisa wo se edie na nkoyi ewo ho da ban ha na wo kumasi abontre so ahojo Atenga Junction Dakojum Santase ehemfa baby a wo bia no ni bia lines na to mama enche bia na de etete wo no frɛ naka na mpanifo ayaso eti na motimi to anamo ede aba abeboa pay enkofa me no bedi dwuma eye Mohammed Kamala IT ono eye PP Ashanti Regional Communication Team member ba be coming so Dr. EA Morrison ono so ba be coming sa oye NDC Communication Team member ba be tasini na no ye de Ghana komono ahihye so din me say what am for motivation man, and of course I'll let you know what we are discussing today. So the motivational medema and say hunu senia eye nipa, know how to treat people. Your uncrophobia ha womu nim senia eye nipa tieni pa hunu senia obeye nipa senia be kase nipa ho senia woni nipa kra besi afa adile obi ha sebie son sebie nyaado adwuma wo mu no na akora wo mu no because oye cleaner me say bisa o say cleaner no wa me clean ho aba betene fi no mana, so that means the cleaner is important. Or your driver wo kasa no ho basa you don't treat him well, you don't treat her well, all because we free say sebi wona adwuma ye wodia wona ye manager enti wo mu no onfa ne nye hwe me pa chawo me say bisa o adwuma ra driver na ma ukọ baby a obeda akọ bi kwa na onim ka atwi ebi so na wonim twi nanso etomre bia ye be smart driver, buy this for me kwato adwane bre me. So you see he is important. Wo house up on it fi hwese na wo sikasa no ho wo kasa no ho basa wo tete basa wo mu no adwane kura konkrofo bi fi a de omodi amanaka no eno omo tabiri a no mo de ama omo house up because enyo omo ema eni omo, so they see them as nobody, so you treat them anyhow. Hey mame papa wunim de dacha obehwe wana treat them well na wo house up no wanya aduane ama amwani wensi no mama bi ameka say won sanko won naima wo ye kwadwefo sebi first class enti house up in the big clinic fi oyina atwitwi nkuku aye aduane ama esi wo manuoma akofo mu school na so wo kasa no ho ahese na osi kasa no ho me pa cho treat him or her well na no ho amfaso wote obi o ha edin bi aye de ato no sebi edin bi sebi ye wo fie bi wo mabon se maame no ewo mema nko a no wo baba ako a ebi ane mani nyina mama be 7 wa wo baba ako aka ho oba nko a enti no sebi se princess or the princess ato no so or the ohima ato no so enti wo be hwe no na enya nsunsuanso ewo no so because say ye friend the princess ye friend ohima nti no na edin no evra kra no wo be hwe no onama me de me yo hima o enti okasa obi ho a sebi okasa no rough sebi yeso sebi enyato, so we did your hema, we did the princess, we did the nana, we knew hema e will be so e you feel ho ena we do hema no o hema no e you feel ho kwa o wo ma me no papa no wo nuam wo busua no so kwa na yo hema wo pia hu senya be kasa nipa ho hu senya be nipa enye sa dachi bi no e bia na wo hia o ma atete ho kire wo mo pa cha otiase erade nka ho ye fro nana. Hey, we do nana o nana na e dia tunsun so mfi nipa o na no hwene mu bono man, what are you talking sabi ekukuda mahemfo kra no wo mu hu nipa wo nsi hye da pija ensa na ya chia na wo a wo fi ho nko a wo flat mu ho wo sabi so 6 bedrooms na wo busuafo asi a wo tim no eno nko a wo ma wa som no enti wo pia bonte a enkrofo ntabru nsi echi so ni ensi wa gongongo so yo hema wa ho debi sisan usuban na hu ni paye na enkrofo aboa oba de nyankofo nka ho so obeye ne sa ede amame metie mama Kate ye mama you no pe me na me yakitoa nanso me pia me nkasa me ye last born metie mo nya me de mama si hu ni paye srewate na otwa obi aso mu chia wate nti sa ena me de ko I shall bet to me baby name didn't come because in a dianity yes nipa ye gidien or body yakopon on count so beba form no biaka say nipa we pa on chen hu one most capa nanso e kama on so be no say bi no nim to sa akatia nanso no so na ochicho look at you obade nyakopon ka ma bonfo mi o me ka wasem yedin na dwene ho na nyame mi kwan emfa emma we be me line is not to me the amount 14 minutes after 6 a.m. Or Facebook Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube Koowaa TV Sam Darkos initiative Sam Darkos Stevenson or ya live or NC framing a dear now won't put some ho etitio a dear now brown no so etitio a dear more color. So hello, good morning.
Good morning, and now I'll tell so you my dear with you and the from up about school. I mean, my power, all right.
So now on your Wakuma studying now, what's a no so o mantem ho den na etitio e den na how give me a call now and let's go from me na empenifo tie na wo muntimi enye ho bibi emfama. Well, still waiting for your call 15 minutes after 6 a.m. Call me and let's go. Papa Papa match what to say prophet na kwa mo she papa me chawa no pay menem so bad na daroma wo ho eye nyame shra papa for umpai ba wo de time me cha no pay wia enwumre nyakopon onka wo ho 15 minutes after 6 a.m. It's you pennyful more line so fine when to me now so happy come on
hello
more line so hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Now what to say, mommy?
Yankupa Dumo, now so
Yankupa Dom. Yes, mommy.
Me free the chamso.
But
I plan say. Yanim has a quiet day and just that at a common for covered take a crown to say napu. Yeah, that's why 4 years beyond Obahawan. 4 years beyond no see how one can the chamsu print a way in Futru. They say want to mean for dropping a just a wine. They clear the Jan Hotel side door. Covered taken and confront to supply or the moon supply and I am faso. As for dropping this or wine. And the empties nedu baby, I na hard and pound by pa bandia, and the obey quano. Oh, yeah, yes, empty na yakwan.
Okay.
And then a boom so about reading the obey sister a back, empty back.
Okay.
Or so empty so no be men in 16. Now, it's fishing beer than empty aba. Or some magazine for obey your MP. No, my represent woman. And yes, I almost say, or more by 12 or more by pa banadia, that be a normal and I'm so. Well, the next 4 years. It made me say, men to MP, but because me, the MP, mamma. Yes, I must almost covered into two, not can't even fashion. Near say, fat up here. You are dear, but then walk on my baby. Yes.
Yamin Shabi also no obey me after 17 minutes after 6 a.m. You're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube. Koowaa TV, Sam Darkos initiative, Sam Darkos TV, so no, you stream live subscribe to your channel and like your page and not comment and I encore. More caller line so I guess. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Hey, Alpha Boat Bomo Sasa.
Alpha Boat Bomo
Sasa. Now, what to say?
Yan don't me hoe and I'm away.
Papa Yankopa don't me hoe pa.
Diane, every time my mama basto di my farm
that's it.
Na enra my Maria for you. Maria for you na let's pa one come home view. And I'm a Maria for.
Kafra obeba.
Na and sana me come after me no so no me tremo. Muduma di amudi no. On say ofa ya address ni say man panyin ye boni aka no correct no.
Yeah.
President yeah wo hene ye boni aka no correct no. E ye no correct e na ye kan wa hati. Ti me tremo. Mompo be a what kind of correct tower. Yajumana and your politician. Koowaa moya and your politician, social media. The ISIS one among the Braille. Na yin na ya dwene ho yesere mo ya mo tutuma politics no en no ko kakra emaye but and you know the omo kana kure ya te na me ko wat ma wo dia buta me no to o te the woman patemu a mani nyi ho no menka yeah the ha me pa ye me kwan kono market kono ufiri micro ba ebo ho a kono market ho otra kwapra ganshin no kakra bi a amana bi da ho Diane samara ne yakata so a ye nya traffic e wo kono no okay samara no be da wo na traffic ebobo no me stand no nine no ni samon ba tie no nsiane die na chete traffic anu be di so no enya agro Tamana no na ha me pa no ne me dagina empanifo etini yamamia me da wo mo ase okay me stre wo mo tamana ne be da obia na traffic aba kono no na me ya para so fa ya tamana me ya kata so pe traffic dia ni kwa no so okay eti me stre wo mo me ya sa kono no market no wo no amana ne da wo no no na yentimi MFP, it's been quite human. I have a dash in the okay. And the tramwa, 5 man, and I'm on my mother. Okay, all right. Offer RCP, offer and you say assistant the face of the and you say be Jai Koowaa you say your political season. And Friday be Ambinya Koowaa in summer trending issues in the Bremo Friday be Montasi, Abrabona Yana Society womb, Timestrum, Moma Society Honkakra, they be a Sebi, Ayana Yoko way side and yet, and Atara system zone. And Timestrum say, Monkama come on to him, then no pa any what your dear mammo. Yeah, the politics never bring Monday to Thursday. Friday bia, mo benya de mo pe bia. Offer a todo beba na ye be this an common na. Inti mesramo ya munya makoma ntomo yem. Na Ghana nsem no so watu aba na ye nya leader papa ma na nhwe so ye no ma ese ya. Inti ma ye ndwendwen Ghana ho ana. Ti say no omani be ya. Leaders ya, politicians, they play a major role in our lives. Of course, say even crown entertainment impona ya. Say entertainment industry no be ya ejina eya ban so ye nya ban papa obebu my papa no e dia maya entertainment na ye kan kudru ye trending issues no ka ye kan me na kwesisen but o se ye kasa na wo mo be ya dia e sefata de ma be boye ye timi kasa na ye entertainment na look at Nigerians one more ever ahead because one more by it see one more industry no ne abani tie one more entina amma wo movie mati say gu de bia mo yefofo obeshia actress ne actor bi on Nigeria bia no most of them sebi majority no they are living large, they live luxurious lives by Ghana hey we shall actor people say an actress bia wagidi pa na sebi mesre me kama abun for me ka kro be film asikra na ayra ho de otim kra se wakosre mesro nti ye politics na eno nche say ya brewom so ya tu abankwa de ye be kasa Femina Uncle, Eddie and a titi won't put him. Let's be citizens and not spectators. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning, Diane.
Middle, now I want to say.
Boko, Diane, Uri Fimina, Jimino. Honorable simple man, Bantima, simple man.
Simple man, I want to say.
Boko, Ometi Wonkaki, you take.
Simple, meba.
Mathematics.
Simple, it's a pedena, and how on Potamo.
Daya media normal baby ha media say woni maduma ni kura me fa kumasi empuntu a woni die ni nkoso ho na daya di say ha me say kagana fo nyina betie mi a enka yensisa MPP ni NDC kakra okay isan say oman no nimdiefo ewa akiri sa daya me no kasa kura woni say dia di kumasi jemensa teme hweme kumasi amuni die mpumpo a metimaye na ebeye dai eni abe point honorable simple man say the CC kumase esan say ye kata ye hwe abusu a wo firim ye hwe baabi ye yi wa firi ebi nso asa nim de no woni pa na e do kwoto no enye wadwuma no enti nke betumi anka ye mpa ba ya obeba wo betwe nipa wo woni mu de a ye de sa adwuma wo yi na wafa no wo betwe nipa wo sa adwuma wo no wafa no ba ye kwhwe se abushia ana ye de moma ana ye de bibi na akire wo ma ya na ya wo ma no nkoso enti media me ma gwen dia nke ye nsa MPP ne adi sewe na nka sabi yamfa gum kura yamfa no mra za papa no wo hwa ne kasa ne nim dia ne nyansa wono nso woni ndi odabo wo man no
sa
ebia na ma me bi kasa woso wo ma enka magazine fo obey wo minister obey adroba fo minister kase wo bi na afuoda enso ne ya na kwa fa ma ayi wo eye se ma wo man no nkoso entimi mo mu de yansa MPP ni NDC no wo mo di abura ke na nke yamfa dimdiefo aka akire no bi emayishem na yansu yanyansa ne anim dia nyame de ma he no yamfa meboa wo ma no no ma no nkoso di 2024 de mesese enke yamfa MPP ni NDC mpo kakra na yansu gumu hwe ensamo ye kafa ne hu nyina bebre ni nyina no politicians na ese no mai no wo nim dia ni yansa what be wo ma no na ya nyame nka ho
nyame shabebre simple man micha bantima fo nyina of course me ba me yoko hima anope micha bebre nana boa hima ho te say bantima micha mo nyina. Hello, good morning.
On you.
Wada ma inti anope
nyame adom so e
na kopa adom pa cho me ho ye
me kasa free pupu ase afema mayera na ohwe the position puku ase mayera for aye eye won kwa ho for besi efi aheni ye MP musi sani ana kwasi afrifa se bi se se ajono to ne bon ma o se ti senyu ekwan da dama ba kwan ya se ase duro yure na se opo adwuma na ukufia masa betina gina kwa ho fe no ya esa kushitete nundu ase wanyaka na ba fo no bia ba ofakata ko se honani ni asama fo ko mera de se ya sam ekwan nye it's very important for say about yes you can be near to could not so you class the passing down the treatment before a monthly campaign on in the media.
Okay.
We have a person you to say Kwame Nkrumah and Yansam Uya Africa here at the two at the Agri Research Center. Misha I wonder Bansini Animal Research Center in the money. About we buy a coffee back up any tabos. What about the first I see now try to watch it or the bay affordable houses? Must I feel back up to my co? Empty essential. And I is a call. Yeah, I think any
Mebacha wala ni munya clear papa nti say can frame me yeah some parts of and mental won clearly but then call me back if you can so that we can really continue the conversation frame me back wadaroma and now frame me and na wa man so kakra ma me power show nti frame me na 27 minutes after 6 again and titi ewo umpotem ho. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, went to me. Bacho Ojina so kasa me ho. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Me bacho dini baby a friend me free.
Yeah, morning.
Good morning, sweetie pie.
Me so kasa free media.
Okay.
Yeah. Morning. Me kasa free media bro.
Yento. Yento.
Maybe I enjoy with our friends Hebron so the lie.
Okay.
Kakane the minimum ka maybe a soldier for a buy asra for akwan ka bakona nkata so kama they hide opo aduma now they call ko kazo besako adum kra this anti kwaso na wo me road kra city kra ye kwaya the do ma ye kwaya city pa wonam ukọ ba ene atese amuna kunkro City 7 if there, civilian quite. Me won't see a quite a jack one in our boom. I'm a quan photos near update to say. Anoding.
All right.
And see, maybe there be a mechanism, MPP and this in wrong. They are brown, papa. Because the Caribbean will be a room. And the Minister, Minister, Bamikai, friends, Goma pencil, ABC, wear pencil. That time, if you school by the new pop of foam, a man of one body, panel, you have a new perfume, Kodoba. From Ukodia near Fiauka, if you see between a farmer, Mokoda, Potua, the Fiam Kamas Zabanch and Proproano. Your family is so no mamma, a great minister, or not to me call. So if I could talk or Kotoba Diabaton, or Brata, I said, I want to see a day, did you about the energy? May a day, for my mine. Ministers in Obiamwa. And to be the uncle for in your money. Your woman uncle. Now you could papa man. Yes, I do man.
Yes, so yeah, that's our part of our freight. 30 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, as to July Hono, it just says very bad. Very, very bad. But yeah, because hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Diana,
Hello, Uncle Sham possible. What can way?
Yeah, I'm not the one other way.
Namra dom da ko molok pale.
Yamase. Visa of a Lumbanaco.
Offer the ozo.
Jim Dico and a corner pale.
Namra dom molok pale. I the young way.
Yanzalaka, I want you. Niaka Gana gas. Look your owa. Wole Ulakaye. Wuru, Albion Ryan, Imazama, Akalo. Sanda by Mastery. I come on and like ye are denim running, a bobo some new barrier. Could you have absolutely a gunny? Then I'm on a paraphy. Then don't let, then Angane, something on a bias. Come with you two. Gala gas for as much as that. About it. Take us boom, 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 more. Over back here. Oh, you really break you. That's what this through. Yes, I did. I ran out on your gas and some. Now, my king and Galaxy more Bangania. And
Yami your papa, the mail family crumney, a Camadine, all the way from Western region and Zama say, a quine, a bonny baby or war, a quisi half as to say, a quine very bad. Or more kaka, Nansono, Abano in few more. Hello, good morning. Sorry.
What you?
Yeah, just so, Papa, now I want to say.
Damn, to move. I said, I'm also a free Koowaa Mayra.
All right, you turn of hey.
Massa, Madame Pacho, I will be free Camayra wine. Young quine, dear. Let me say, quite it to my 2024 election about uniform every day. Perform, you know, on was because they are free for animals and him. A panel. You won't do any pedatory. Yes, so yes, so. The problem will be put because if you are man for a Comayra, a Fiamaya, a young real. Obakasi Ekuja. Yaya Jumatia Tassis Mambai. I should see a muso. I no be a Greek of Fassas, Ampa, a Greek of Fassas said that way. As I see, say, Nanka, a buying, or the year a fool at the FD school at one car. As I think about my one command school feeding program. I can't in what on. The young minister, Manacom, for Mukoto, Brodier, Everton. As I sit down, was I think to me, I do a feeding school from Poo. And then who for so be the Tete and Waka. And then a baby tower at home, the soldier for the hall, SABC affordable houses. I can't say back by any time or soon. I think you affordable houses. Genesis Cannon in 21st Seno. Mamma, you, Nasilanka, this year. That's what the Nikita to us, Sibina Kitaba, Izani. Miss Remo. Then the 24, what the Diagrodo. Maybe so.
Okay.
Honorable Mr. Nana or say, or Kwame say, or original TV.
All right.
All
right. I believe strongly say penny for 80 and of course they work towards it. And I'm more across Ghana ya kwani na be a complaining. But say it's a year of Rose. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, my dear Pronto.
Hey, birthday boy! Happy birthday to you.
Amen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Wapiza. Happy birthday to you. Wapiza Yamika. Onyo akuma sade nyina ma. Onyo fra dumu kwa adumu.
Amen.
Happy birthday, mwanonko.
Me da se. Baby no for pambo bia so me chiane pi. Ni shira wa dia mame. Na, on se
Mane so kakra.
Me. Fantastic prekwan. Fantastic prekwan o pebia. Anu di pa. Nse, na kofi jogu yo mo di mo dende na anu den. Ana kumi asi oye ikwan ni ye. Sisi so fi prejanshi ona wo sami adom clinic. Di pon kakre ni pa ma me nya senketwa. Ma hu pa di ta kwan ni mo. Before so we feel no could do some patam worry in good play in what he might dako mother around them. And the politicians for whom the too much. But what about the separate no more baby and some more yoko. But the Joe Molin and the bit me a yellow. Gentleman, you won't mean you want to disappear. Ah, near German or doing some phone.
All right, of course, 36 minutes after 6 a.m. My last caller. Now, me enjoy the curtains down the phone session of Koowaa, of course. Now, who did never discuss. So, waiting for my panels to get seated. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Now, what to say?
So yes, minimum part on where pan also.
Nyakupa dom yes ye hoye pa. Why na me ka say?
Don't perfect my table so Adam Kwa.
Oh, Prophet Akwaba.
Yeah, no.
Prophet into an pay.
By Choba ma of the me can say why you kuma dan fan so fa so da. Ye kwan no ye santetwa.
Okay.
And kapro mi krum kwan so so sa ko pastro. Eno so nya santetwa. Yeah. Yampiowa oyobia obran wa fepa na ndu me bia nye me bo no ma yehunu so e de du me bia na o me yehunu nye ma so tan se ya kwani die na me mpo di kwa school so sa dano ni na say ndi empeni for momoden no momoe na du me bia na reho ko yen ko check ye bia ko check ye be to aba ye to aba so a mo nye bibia be me se ho eden atoen ade be to school akwan because no a dog boy because me to me ka
sir
no if you to abandon na no me and show between on because speak you cry that's your program okay maybe an hour ho ke through my ma dey so be sumo man no dey sumo ye mo belu ye do me na tira so mu ye so I mo fire ho so anya ma mo ye me be me what trend mo ye ma ya mo fire ho. Yes, so man, I'm on fire on your phone to your two abano.
One is shaman for cold baby, most a moon, you know, moon foul moon. Now, move from hunting a twaba at the mamu. Your twaba mamu quadia. All we need from you is to give us good roads, good water, good hospitals, and all that. Great jobs. Now, you know, any binye. I didn't tell you to aba. Sebi, multi major quantity chesica emma, smemu force no power 20 cedi, a real 20 cedi, and an upper 10 cedi, a real 10. No, multi sir. Give us good rules. The intimidate and also no acquire boachi bidin, ama encro for a casada. Of course, I don't pay the Abeshe and say. And His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama ekuhia TUC mpanimfo na in fact odi to monim se mono mo ba modern na se Ghana eto aba ede mano no be president of the Republic of Ghana sebie son sebie nyaado obeboa am a TUC adwuma no so hu akonanim obecreate to the extent say obeye no anopa evia enwume that's 3 times daily enti wa nya adwuma anopa no obeye adwuma evia ana obeye adwuma enwumre eno beboa ma sebi timamufa na se mabru no bebre na se nkrofo enya adwuma aye no Emma TUC penny mu Dr. Yauba then ni ajepa in fact I say eno beboa dodo wow anopa abedwafo betnasia Mestre, maybe Sawo must say, Sebi, it's going to happen. But what's going on, Sha? We over 700. And trust me, creating this job and making sure, says Sebi Ghana, say you see a normal, we shall send your mobile Juma cry, and I won't get kind of idea this city. What got you be so many Juma area, and obey Juma Najo, and I know Pakran, ye bay, yeah, see a page more. And so, we shall send you see a normal. Can it be possible? Well, ye beshe, but before then, ansana a bedjafo, a bet nasono, yen she video nibi, na yemra. Stay with us, we'll be back.
To say, people, action, action. Thank you very much. Comrade Chairman Alex Nyako, Comrade Secretary General Dr. Yauba, executives and officials of the Ghana Trade Union Congress, our National Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, General Secretary of NDC, my brothers and sisters from both the TUC and NDC, I want to thank you for this warm welcome into the Hall of Congress of the TUC, and to thank you for the warm welcome we have received and the solidarity that I have seen expressed here today. Let me thank you for the first copy of the Workers' Manifesto, and I can assure you that we will study it very carefully and incorporate the relevant provisions into the People's Manifesto. From the Workers' Manifesto into the People's Manifesto. Today we've gathered here as a family to cement the relationship between the TUC and the NDC in our shared desire to build the Ghana we want together. As Social Democrats, we believe in social justice and equity, and we share a common objective with organized labor represented by the Trade Union Congress. We both prioritize the welfare and well-being of the working class and ordinary people. This shared goal requires us to cooperate and collaborate to ensure the total achievement of our objectives. And as I've always said, the NDC and the TUC are allies. The history of global development shows that trade unions have been instrumental in shaping economies to promote universal human well-being. The progress made in the Western world and other advanced economies is a testament to the tenacity and resilience of workers' unions. I believe that today's interaction will mark the beginning of even deeper relations to safeguard our common interests and ensure a better future for the working people of our country. Just as no economy can survive without prioritizing the well-being of its workers, we as Social Democrats recognize the need to design policies that accommodate the growth of industry and business and at the same time protect the interests of workers and their unions. The NDC, which I lead, recognizes that it does not have a monopoly on ideas and that it takes a cross-fertilization of ideas to achieve and sustain the economic progress of our country. and we acknowledge the pool of ideas and expertise at the disposal of the TUC, and recognize that you have clear perspectives of the challenges confronting our country in this era, as evidenced in your Workers' Manifesto. As allies whose anchor ideology is social democracy, the NDC has no hesitation in inviting the TUC to actively participate in our strategy formulation processes so that the concerns of the working class and vulnerable can be adequately reflected in policy whenever we take over the reins of government. Comrades and friends, no political party in Ghana is better aligned to pursue policies favorable to the working class than the National Democratic Congress. We firmly and openly ascribe to the tenets of social democracy, believing that the state and the markets can work together to ensure economic expansion and equitable sharing of the fruits of economic growth. We understand that our collective well-being as citizens resides in sustained economic growth through high productivity in sectors where we have a comparative advantage. We therefore welcome any opportunity to engage organized labor in the pursuit of these objectives continuously. Therefore, I wish to thank Brother Secretary General and your team for the opportunity to dialogue with you today, and Frederick Ebert Foundation for the platform it has created for the two of us to engage. Comrade Secretary General, our beloved country has been hit very hard by harsh economic conditions over the last couple of years. Under this current administration, Ghana has witnessed severe adverse effects due to what we in the NDC and many Ghanaians consider a self-inflicted economic crisis. The high inflation rates, high cost of living, destruction of jobs, debt crisis, and negative impact on investors are some of the effects of this administration's failed policies. The economic crisis has significantly impacted workers and citizens generally. Unemployment rates, particularly amongst the young people, have risen to their highest in recent memory, making it difficult for many to find stable and decent paying jobs. Inflation and exchange rates volatility have eroded workers' purchasing power and have pushed many beyond the poverty line, below the poverty line. The healthcare and education sectors have also been negatively affected with inadequate funding and deteriorating quality of services. Our economy is plagued by high public debt levels, which hinder investments in social and economic development projects. And I give you, for example, in 2016, if you shared the public debt of 120 billion among 30 million Ghanaians, each Ghanaian owed 4,000 Ghana cedis. Today, if you divide the debt of 577 billion by 30 million Ghanaians, all of us sitting here owe 19,000 cedis. This, coupled with a relatively high unemployment rate, particularly amongst the youth, exacerbates the challenges faced by our citizens. Inflation and exchange rate volatility further erode workers' purchasing power, as I said. For the first time in over 50 years, we have defaulted in payment of our debts, and we've been downgraded by credit rating agencies to the lowest level ever experienced, junk. In other words, baller status. The escalating cost of living driven by hyperinflation, a collapsing currency, and rising prices of essential items, including food, has made life unbearable for millions of Ghanaian households who are currently practicing the 001 or 010 or 100 formula. For those of you who know it, you know it. Due to the government's debt restructuring program, the working and middle classes face the greatest threat to their livelihoods. The debt exchange has expropriated the interest payments on bonds held by the working and middle classes, affecting many households, including poor pensioners. The poor who are dependent on the working and middle class also now face an uncertain future. According to the World Bank, inflation has pushed as many as 850,000 Ghanaians into poverty in the past 1 year alone. Unemployment amongst young people in Ghana has skyrocketed and is estimated today to stand at 13%. The consequences of this economic catastrophe have affected every sector of our national life, particularly education, health, and infrastructure. Unfortunately, the government has no grasp of the magnitude of the economic suffering that Ghanaians are going through and is unwilling to make the necessary adjustments to resolve it. They also appear unprepared to improve the general governance of the country and end corruption, nepotism, politicization, and the weakening of state institutions. They are oblivious to our country's failing state of education and health care and remain fixated on poorly implemented programs that have thrown the sectors into crisis. We also have a president who has run out of ideas on how to solve the economic challenges we find ourselves in. And by his recent declaration, his focus and last energies are going to be expended on installing his anointed successor as the next president. Comrades, we could have avoided this unpleasant situation. The signs of this crisis were there for all to see. A conflicted finance minister whose only interest was to borrow endlessly and mar our economy in the quagmire of debt was obvious from as far back as 2019. We could see it coming. A president whose budget was creatively crafted to hide huge liabilities in order to present a favorable economic outturn to the world so that he could borrow more from the international capital market was evident for all to see. Appointment of family and friends into various positions in government, brazen interference to obstruct the fight against corruption, reckless abuse of the public purse, arrogance, and luxury in the conduct of public officers have all been characteristic of this administration since its inception in 2017. It didn't start today. But comrades, it is regrettable for me to note that at such a crucial time in our nation's life, society's moral voice refused to speak up against these unfortunate developments in our democratic governance. NDC was left alone as the solitary voice seeking to hold the government accountable and speaking up for the voiceless Ghanaians. And we were often cast out as spoiled brats who were ranting just because we had lost power. Today, the chickens have come home to roost. And we are all affected. As he said, country broke, country no broke, we all did inside. There must be an end to this decline and a restoration of stability to the economy so that Ghana's citizens and working people can breathe a sigh of relief and not have their already inadequate incomes eroded further by inflationary pressures. In the last few years, I have been outlining policies that a future NDC government will implement, and the aim is to stop the steep decline in the economy, turn it around, and stabilize it. I've also shared my position on governance and institutional reforms to ensure our country is reset and built into the Ghana we all want. It is important to note that we in the NDC will not be couching propagandist slogans and passing them off as policy. We have much to learn as a country from the disaster that has unfolded before our very eyes, when sections of our population became so enamored with empty slogans and acronyms. We will focus on substantial government issues to get the job done in a no-thrills, no-frills manner. We will cut out the rigmarole and deliver realistic policies to impact our economy and our country positively. Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, the NDC proposes a series of transition measures to address the economic decline and set Ghana on the path to recovery. These measures include reducing the public debt by placing a moratorium on non-concessional borrowing, actively seeking concessional financing and grants, and reviewing legislation to limit the non-core activities of some state-owned enterprises. Why must we reduce our debt obligations? Because we need to do so to create adequate fiscal space to stabilize the economy and provide social services. So to achieve this, the NDC will implement, amongst others, the following measures. 1, as I said, place an immediate moratorium on all non-concessional borrowing. 2, pursue our bilateral partners and multilateral partners for more concessional financing and grants. 3, implement infrastructural projects that are self-financing and not a burden on the public debt. 4, limit the central bank's financing of government, as we did in 2016, zero central bank financing of government. And also reform the Bank of Ghana. 5, tighten legislation to put a cap on debt accumulation and prevent any future reckless finance minister from borrowing, as has been witnessed under this administration. So you put a cap so that some rogue finance minister won't come in future and run up the debt again. And so if we say the debt must be 60% of GDP, every year you must calculate and make sure that you are under 60% of GDP. If the finance minister exceeds it, he will be sanctioned. Sanctioned, sacked. I meant sacked. Re-establish the sinking fund to smoothen out our debt repayment obligations. When we're in government, we set up a sinking fund to which we committed some of our oil revenues and other revenues so that any debts that were due, we had money to pay. Unfortunately, when this government came, they depleted the sinking fund and left it empty with no buffers to cover themselves. We will stop the collateralization of statutory funds like the GET Fund and the District Assembly's Common Fund. We will review some legislations to limit the financial implications of non-core activities of some state-owned enterprises like the Ghana Cocoa Board and the GMPC. Additionally, we aim to reduce the size and cost of government, tackle corruption, and enforce stricter financial management regulations and guidelines. To this effect,
very important offices. We are very happy to have all of you here with us. To us, it is a sign that NDC and TUC are ready to work together toward the development of our country, Ghana. I would also like to welcome the Resident Director of FES. What is Johan? Johan, you are welcome. We also have with us our brother Ebu and Michael. Where is Michael? Yes. Brother Ebu, Brother Ima, and of course, their director, we welcome you especially because you have been supporting us in these activities to bring together these two important organizations, TUC and NDC. We have been talking about this, Johan, you remember? We have been talking about strengthening the relationship between the three organizations. FES is a social democratic organization. NDC is a social democratic organization. And of course, TUC is also a social democratic organization. So we have a lot in common. I remember when Comrade John Mahama came to our General Council, I think it was 2020 or so, when he said TUC and NDC are natural allies. Yes, yes. Today, all the three organizations, FES, NDC, and TUC, we are here together. And that is very beautiful. It is the beginning of great things to come. Because, you know, we share the same values and principles as far as governance and human development are concerned. We all believe in support for vulnerable people in society, because we recognize that all fingers, as we say in Ghana, all fingers are not the same. Some fingers are bigger and longer than others, but that doesn't make them more important, because they have to work together to give us the dexterity we have. We also believe, the three organizations all believe in social and economic justice. We believe in solidarity. We believe in unity. And we believe in cooperation and fairness. Again, let me thank some of the comrades who have made this important meeting possible. And I would like to first single out my comrade Ambassador Samyale. He's here with us. Our comrade Sylvester Mensah. Comrade Prosper Huetu. We work together in planning this meeting, and I think they deserve some appreciation. Let me also here thank my deputy, the Deputy Secretary General of TUC, Brother Joshua Ansa. Joshua, where are you? Hey. Once I say, Joshua, we have a meeting with NDC, make sure it happens. It happens. You know, and we also thank the researchers who have really been helpful in preparing our manifesto, and other members of staff who work tirelessly. Sulu, Echampong, they are all here with us to ensure that this important meeting takes place successfully. I thank members of the Social and Economic Affairs Committee and the Political Affairs Committee of TUC for their efforts in shaping the Workers' Manifesto. We had an opportunity, the Social, Economic Affairs and Political Affairs Committee had an opportunity to meet the NDC lab led by Prof. Danso Boafo and also Professor Nana. We had very good discussion, and this is the outcome of some of the decisions we made at that meeting. And I would like to thank them for the ideas that they share with us. Finally, I would like to welcome our very special guests. And here I want to mention Sister Alice Gonwe Siame. Sister Alice, please, let's see you. You can see from her Choboi that she is indeed a special guest. We also have with us Sister Aina Esrenk from Norway. Sister Alice and Sister Aina, we have partnership meeting with them, so we invited them to this very, very special occasion. Those of you who know about Norway, you know they are also social democratic country. Now, let me shift our attention a bit to the purpose of this meeting. And the purpose is very simple and straightforward. First of all, in the presence of our comrade, John Mahama, we want to launch our Workers' Manifesto in addition to the opportunity to interact with him. He was just telling me that what he's holding is his vision, and he's going to share with us. ECOWAS countries, our relationship with African Union, Africa in general, our relationship with the European Union, our neighbors on the other side of the Mediterranean, of course our relationship with China, our relationship with Cuba. I believe that that is how individuals can fully express their potentials. So the Workers' Manifesto provides, as I said in the introductory remarks, it provides the basis for our engagement with political parties and governments, and of course also with civil society organizations, like-minded organizations who want to work with us. We hope that it can help shape and transform the political discourse away from the personality attacks and other trivialities. And then we can now focus on substantive issues instead of personality attacks. So this is our introduction. It's longer than this, but I'll cut it short. Now I'll move to section number 1. The first policy area in our manifesto is about social policy. And here we are focusing on human development. So I'll just highlight a number of key areas that we are ready to engage on. And I want to emphasize that the manifesto is not prescriptive. It is not giving, this is what the solution is. We don't have that. We believe that all of us must come together and discuss the future of this country. No one person has the solution. Our problems are so complex that the solution you prescribe today may be outdated tomorrow. So the dialogue must be constant.
Dr. Yauba and I TUC Penny Wabra, His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, Ekushia TUC Penny 4. Now, Auditomonim says Sebia Son Sebia Nyado, so to me a beye Mampeni or Ghana, Obe make sure say, TUC Jumanity, Ubia Bia Sebia Son Sebia Nyado 3 times a day. So it's going to be a morning session, afternoon, and the night. Into no baby quiet ama and Crofobibri and Jumaye when you be an opanya obenye bi ewia anase enwumre. People are talking about it. The amoka ina say Ghana send you Suban City na ebetimi arane shift amana ye. Well, I can't talk much, but abedwa for aye krado ewa ha ewa se me mama kwaba na afi no ye bora ensem no emo mewo Kamal Mohammed Kamal IT ono na ojina me ediama MPP, that's the MPP Ashanti Regional Communication Team Member watnase sanso and Dr. E.A. Morrison ono so no atnase NDC Communication Team Member. Eja for Mama Koowaa. Dr. Koowaa. How are you? Kamal IT. Me who ye? This is His Excellency Ako Akushia, former President Ako Akushia, TUC Penny 4. Do you think, say, okay, Obitmi Amanaye Kama? Okay. I'm starting from you, Morrison.
Oh, okay. Diane, that's the Akwenya Moria Maya Lubai. Vichaya TF so, especially Akumampudia. For most especially war and so
okay
na 9 now so dibro mechiano pa alubai na ya pe 4 near T4 so anupai yechia bibia
okay
Eura Mampeni da John Dramani Mahama nasem a odi abetu dwa se kwamba kwa opese se Nyankopon ye na dom na se Ghana for 2024 abatu aye betu enu se Ghana for Saturday or mine shedding sa kwamba ko be faswa obatutu o mine yesika sema nei Nana Kufuado ne Dr. Baumia Mamu ama yesika sema to ape no kwamba ko obefaswa obatutu niema ama o mine asa fa na ntuma pa efra and it's running what he calls the shift economy.
Of course.
Just you kaya juma a free anopa non-cron a popim and you num na yapon no bia apapoda which is 8 hours.
Sure.
Na oba we making sure say this time no nke be running shift economy.
Yeah.
Nke bi mapon no num ekono na nke bi mo so akwakoto so.
Sir.
Betina musa ama ade achi we. E bani sa infrastructure bebrebe ene bebre Ghana mai. Ebi ni de hin. Ebi ni se one enem mabunu a ye wo Ghana ayenya adwuma enye no.
Ebenya adwuma ye.
Ebenya adwuma aye. Mabunu anya adwuma aye no so no. Na ma Ghana yesikasem ene atete apansam no san be sore agina ne nan so eyi
doctor
it will interest you to know say ene Ghana aye we me gidi say nyina ye nim problems oman ye wo ye problems ye bebre self inflicted problems
sure
Kufuado Baumia aban ediaba ye so one of the biggest problems confronting this country today no unemployment. A Juma any of my way same. It will interest you to know say last year is a Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research Department or more University of Ghana or more research be at the betu abontain. The research no more the betu abontain or more just say afibiano every year. A NIPA 110,000 students and a graduated from your universities across the length and breadth of this country. Diane, 110,000 students and a graduated from universities across this country. The sad note is that out of that 110,000 graduates every year, research indicates say only 6.5% of this number and it means after say university education in their first year. And as how to also actually say it may take a bit up to more than 10 years now after say we university education. Now Diane you say university new and then na sebi omo asebi o bibintin went me an to us went me university education now omo ye omo dey we question was beside graduate unemployment or youth unemployment mabuna enya adwuma nya eye adiswade kese ye problem kese na ewo my we sim enti yeru John Dramani Mahama tikese so da yepa anya sa ni swade hu no we say kwan ba ko a obesolve ye problem kese pa na efesi o my we say ye mabuna enya adwuma nya ne say oberun shift economy
na say na pension so na mabunu bebre nya adwuma anye enya afi na BC ana
Diana no credit said waka no unemployment dey okọ man bia mu ayo unemployment wo no man bia ni won mu a obeka say o man we dey any unemployment
okay
but now as we speak no we are having the highest youth unemployment rate in recent times yenya sa unemployment rate akosoro said ye na ye hunu bi sada no credit John Dramani Mahama pension now unemployment but na enkoso enkodu pension and edwin and you won't be sad. Diane, that is a fact. Okay. You can cross check.
I'll cross check.
So no cry that one no. When you say IMF sika ye kwaji 3 billion na ye kwaji no. One of the conditionalities are IMF 40 ma and say there must be a freeze on public sector employment. Enti na ya mnu ka say aban Ghana ban ntimi emfa adwuma ye fiwo. Apart from say mabunu ni nya adwuma nya no sebio aban so kwamba we the biggest employer of labor we man we see aban na the biggest employer of labor
okay
aban ntimi mfa nipa we man we see enti asama aye you make can say ama a bad situation abe very worse oh my we see enti media me hu ne say John Dramani Mahama a wodwene mabunu a wo my we see mo mabunu o mo ye Ghana man ye daache no se kwan we so and wo fa so solve your problem na me gidi say ma John Dramani Mahama akwanya 2024 na nyakopon ya adum January 7 2025 no will be sworn as president of Ghana.
Okay.
I believe say the youth unemployment rate mabuna na poi mu baby a wo bi a wo tie me no we school nya adwuma nya say bi kwa we free SHS a mo ko fa ba ya just say ye hunu Buhari ye hunu
Buhari yes cash problem with the free SHS mo hwa am boy.
Oh, you see free SHS has helped as much as it has created problems. I think sir, this is another topic for another day, so I will not want to delve so much into it. So you go ahead with it. Now do I so what we free akufo free SHS here go for buy so what we be na no say bi obi a want me anto aso anko ni munya adwuma nya.
Okay.
To waba ma John Dramani Mahama come December 2024.
Okay.
Wono na obodi enhyehyɛ papa ba begu akwan mu na companies ahodo a wo man mu a ke bono onuma o mapon no if John Dramani Mahama bad from 2025 going no company bi any home e ba pon from 5 o'clock going 5 o'clock going no ye be run shift
okay
mo nso a mo fin companies ba be fa mabunu ama mo ye adwuma ama ade achi ade chi a mo so makofie na wo mo pon foforo so asa aba minua me gidi se we eye nsempa ene Ghana fo nyina yaso na ye gidi se going forward no John Dramani Mahama and nipa Ghana food na ye hwe nanim.
Beautiful, of course, my member Kamal IT. Kamal me pacho bebre akwa babiem. Me pacho former president akasa o say die. Economy nyoma betesa ama day night ne be adwuma mabuna ye adwuma bebraye but na penso no tama no ho no sebi nyado. It didn't happen now. Wadwin who say no obadia say ne was say oh yeah. What you say about it?
Ebacho me fro lady o
Pia frame.
Thank you. Ma memfa ncheka sema mahwefo na menchia a party penny for free national region 2 constituencies.
Beautiful.
Na menchia yewura yadi nyina His Excellency the Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na menchia hokani the beautiful woman.
Okay.
The most intelligent woman. What I say, the most influential woman. Aye Hajia Samira Bawumia. Na mention on sana pay. You see, in every successful man,
there should be a woman.
There is a woman. Not just a woman, but just what I say.
Sure.
Mention on pay.
Or just so.
His Excellency the Vice President. When me say na say ya na Koowaa. Aye Saturday
yeah
ekoyi no na yi no so no yi no on purpose na Ghana fo nyina ne party fo nyina so no agina to mprekope said the neighbor 2024
yeah
na me de say and then nansa aye Ghana web aye pulse bi na wo hwe pulse na che say e hye nkran so aye Excellency aye the Vice President and 78% then the John Dramani Mahama nsama na ye kan 24%. So it should tell you say the gap on the eson. That's just what they say. Sabi oma joins from Baben and say we northern in China fan and that's why Muslim China fan on Debbie.
Okay.
I have journey Ukrano. That's just what they say. Opening bichuro book we have no some adinyani. Or true was say ideas rule the world. Some that's just what they say.
Yeah.
Now opening a year can ho asemi John Dramani Mahama sabi wonye nipa foforo bia o oyo man pani dada a Ghana fo nyina enimu no a omunim ne chese de obetimi aye ene de wontimi nye
okay
en in 2016 2020 no Ghana fo koto abobum eyi ne free ho because omunim say oni hweye ideas na sa mna oba so oba ibu o man no oye ne basa poto na menu aba empenifo ya aye the Vice President and I'm sorry the former president ekohia omo no so omo ni TUC fo na mebo
sir
good oman we ye ka TUC fo a enye ekuokito every March 1945 and it is yete satam grana o my grana yenje ye fa wodi pazo adese
basho
and o ma ya nene ababedu sa sesebre ya ye wo mu entenye ku kitwa na de amia na say eye John Dramani Mahama former president sampanifo ya so no ko gina omu no mu amre bi o ka che o mu say what developer dey be a friend no a dead goat syndrome. Who can say something?
Make high.
Ye de ko ye kasema. Was wo ye dwanfunu. Sabi o dwan oda ho a wo wudie. Sa wo mfa second no.
It's a political talk.
Anya political talk. Na wonnim se sa amre na mommo no nkoyi anya papa ni nti. Na wonnim se o ma hyehyɛ demonstration upon demonstration a o mo ba ba ye kyerɛ ni nti. Na o ka sa asam ne kyerɛ wo. Enne wanam ho kase oba be den 24 hours den
of course
I want for be shift na nya ne mmeso na yenya unemployment your friends graduate association enya ne mpreso enya ne mmeso na ye ko dum so mu 5 years no enyuma egu o man mu enya ne mmeso both the private and your friend is your friend is public ones no dem nipa bebre nyi nipa bebre mfre dwum meni aba and somehow papa because minima de foforo bi a ye John Dramani Mahama so odeba Ghana for so nsu aso nsam ento mu ni de mood pa and na so wo bo aye the vice president edin a what me dey one constituency, one ambulance, eka ni din ho. And now bo aye vice president dia. What me dey aye drone, eka ni din ho. And now bo vice president aye Mahmoud dia. What me the mobile interoperability, eka ni din ho. And now bo don aye friend say vice president dia. What me dey aye address system, eka ni din ho. These are some of the things I hear hwehwe. And the kind of leaders are here sesebrei na say ya omo ye ku o your friend is saying parliament no NDC for ye ku no because my friend ku
ba say na ye ku
ku because omo constitution no and kire de omo ye no but omo chairman ebe justify say 2024 na ye no about the economy Enti omode eye kesel atofo semba onna sabi obetimi aka something about the economy na ntesa
exactly
very good and ye flag bearer we economist
but Atu is also doing well
we economist anameboa
yes
and vice president o ka bibi e friend no eye friend say blue economy and wonenam TUC ka dey and the blue economy no when you are created and then you are saying World Bank sika to ho say obia wo ye omanya wa hyehyɛ na economy a wo hwɛ bibi e friend blue economy no sa oman no ono World Bank no sika o dey support sa man say the be ya wo economy ni be grow na emmumu no be ye adwuma na adwuma so aba
is the economy growing
mini aba.
Do we see the growing of the economy? If I should ask that.
Miniaba, the economy is growing. And a very stable
society. Growing so na krofo esui.
Miniaba, ye nyina enim say. Oman etimi. In economy no, you will be a friend no a butterfly effect. The chen say, and near between, say ye island. And I'm a boy. Ye da oman bi. And I'm a boy. Say da oman bi. Very good. Se BBC o man foforo so na sabi sanyoma na esi ye no ebetimi affect ya yeso economy no ebe affect ya at the same time because ayo man ya nyina ya gi atum se aye import driven economy and nyina yetimo but o man anasa aban na hihye bi a woye bia no aye hihye ya ye wini ye ho from that kind of import driven economy no said the bear yankasa be hihye enyomo ha
and
internet so be kai a the vice president maybe or kasa was emre bi atwa mu no
yeah
na ade bi a friend of the first industrial revolution no na Ghana na yenka ho but say no yaba the fourth first industrial revolution sa the fourth industrial revolution no ye Ghana no ye ntwe ma abrofo no nhyehyɛ na ye nie akiri na ye nkosua na emo ye no mu nyina na yetu sa na mo no say the be ya ye economy ni ehyehyɛ bia be kama now Mitie
na kan person bisa say in a no show no na former president his excellency Mahama na the okay na ne say enuoma odi akotudwa e wo TUC no person bisa that's why I want us to stay say wo sha kama obetimi aye
anya possible
why is it not possible
want me I don't want to we say wakasa obesi senior friend say community senior high schools 200 the 4 years na wo mu no what we all see how all see do was saying.
But so see do na.
Maybe. When to me send 50 crowd. What can say every year be obviously 50.
But you know you who so see bebrebe.
Baby, me nearby. What can so see bebrebe ya? We say every year.
Okay.
So 4 years.
Yes.
Every year be obviously 50.
Okay.
Until by the end of 4 years no.
Okay.
No we see 200.
Okay.
But even 1 year and 4 years ni nyina we send 50 crowd.
Are you sure?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes. But that's what they say.
Matese.
Who can get funds here now? You see all the friends the details no.
It's only man who is so want me.
And again, what catch is 2012? What catch say? Yeah, energy capacity no. Now you 202,445 megawatts. By the end of 4 years no, now we're increasing up to 5,000 megawatts. Mean ba? Mimbusa say every 2,445 megawatts now. No, also by the end of the 4 years, no. No was what they are called by 5,000 megawatts. You must say, one free so no, not send a net ye. No, do so no, the giants so call you.
But them say that soon and be more.
Debut, Minaba, where your friend do so?
Nay,
where your friend do so?
Sometimes it's me doom down a pie, but soon and you may.
Minaba,
so, Ebiano.
And ye, now some name review a kind of Ghana for no. Ye yare, I refuse no. Oh, ebia na ye kan yo because no dum so no the buy no metimi dem 2 days
okay
na men kan office for yaw abrenti bi asabi won so no dey show the ompe ye dum light omon fie na no mosi na ya flow so no so ofro so akoda kakra
okay
oda hwa na omuni na pam obeto of mu ko
yasemo
dum so ku no
yeah
ai ye ma me no ma asabi omo fridge kitwe bi a je wode ginani kakra kakra omo ye demonstration call aye Otek FM eko kan won sam ka kire aye John Ramani Mahama ne ho kani Lodina se omo sere na won kasa nkire ne wura na dum so no nso anu mo because omo de omo abobom mere wo motifie omo ne hweye for the first time ye ma mo no tisi krum aye demonstration against papa ya ye kan ho asem ye
nti no kire say de okay ontimenye
mama ma wa yi bi won mi say your feeding grant me boa
yeah
and your friend is saying memo ayi bi wa ha just some few ayi bi
okay na what do I say no
wonim dey me yan say
okay
sometimes ye ka asem we ya ho eya na dodo na hu ni say sabio ye boye trimu na ya ka asem no
okay
na capitation grant opening ya ka no ho asem ye o se ne wode ejuma sambeko 24 hours
exactly
capitation grant nko wojai 9 million Ghana cedis feeding grant ane se bia mebako school ane se bi wenye aduane bi ofie ne de kaka ho a papa wojai ka aye 4 million Ghana cedis oko exercise books a aye basic schools a abandi mo mu free no eka opening di jaye aye 40 million Ghana cedis supply of school uniforms enko a sabi aye public schools na ye mrofa esha omuduko school no wojai ka 4 million Ghana cedis now ye ti abami enhihye bia ye bia no de na ye de sai me ne sei ne nsama okwa a okekan na ye se TUC fo busa ne sei yate ye de TUC ana meboa adwumayefo na omo asam no eha ya ye ka ho asem
okay
ye ka aye minimum wage ho asem ye ka health ho asem ye ka education ho asem ana meboa ne ye so komu busa ne sei papa yi wo fa health Wofa ya pomudin asema. Ede na wotimi ye fa ho emra na woti akonyim. Woti akonya so. Wofa aye education a ede na wotimi ye fa ho. Ene your friend say yaban. Wofa bibi ti STEM. Science, technology, engineering and mathematics. What I say? Now over about health. Agenda 1111. And you see 6 regional hospitals out of Agenda 1111.
Okay.
You see 2, your friends say, psychiatric hospitals. You see every district to be a hospital. When you about what you say? Yade your friend is saying, yade Erojet project by say you see hospitals, Emma, every region, and I say every district. No, you must almost say, I didn't know my found. No, it's a tease for Busan say, sound some way, no. I young come I am mudi. And to a buy no workers asam no. Unless come and say, "San your man." I didn't why I found.
All right, doctor. Would you say something about it? The media come out. Okay, home. It's excellent for my president. Obi to me. I do okay,
lady. I know boy. Me you come out. I'm a raho.
I didn't hear.
Who be a very simple question. You were John Dramani Mahama. I come to TUC. Then this wadi huna was what they buy. 25 in obey to me and I want me. It was a very simple question.
Yeah.
But no they komboha, and a drone, and an ambulance, and a 4th industrial revolution, and a fine, he said so much he ended up saying nothing.
Cardi.
Minua. I don't know. Oh, and about your drone. Suddenly, one kind of crack. When you come out, me just wake up with him. What kind of drone? Yeah, almost or moody to us. One I was here, who be that? What did any say? Who be that?
Haven't seen this before.
Oh, no, I'm asking you a question.
Haven't seen this before.
What did any say? Who be that? And the Debiana drone. In any case, near Musa. Drone, does it work on his own? A hospitals are in John Dramani Mahama see, you know. So drone work of fat baby, if I say like moja and some medication, medicine, a hospital, what they call.
Okay.
What you say? Sa hospital isn't one man, drones now, woman can was them. And can useless.
Okay.
So what you say? Oh, by was in a Baumia ambulance, not dead goat syndrome, not fine, could see if I
all right.
Says I'm what kind of dear. Me, you right, Baumia.
Okay.
And any dear was your demand on Nidi Baumia and was his son Yen Boromia. Why Boromia? Oh, yeah, because he has borrowed this economy into a ditch as head of the economic management team.
He also borrowed. Of
course, all previous governments have borrowed.
Every government borrow.
Yes, but the borrowing of this incompetent government is unprecedented.
Okay.
At the time I not leave office in 2016. That Ghana did 120 billion.
All right.
Ghana from Kwame Nkrumah up to John Dramani Mahama Apenso. Ghana from 1957 up to 2016 and he free office. Now 120 billion. And now I say, lady.
All right.
Akufo-Addo ne ba Boromia me di no masesa no me se na me fe Boromia
me patro his excellency Baumia
ali ase ene oni ne Boromia yi ene o masesa o matabri sa friends say ye ka ye di from 120 billion ye go 575.5 billion.
All right.
In just 7 years. And say my friend Boromia is not justified.
Not really justified. I will not.
It is justified.
That name.
Because I'm actually much to say. Lady, a car here did not 120 billion from 1957 up to 2016. I free a buy. Oh yes, I'm actually pen a free a buy. Now 120 billion.
Okay, all right.
From 1957, Kwame Nkrumah pension, Mrs. John Dramani Mahama pension, 120 billion. Mobile influence on you, Mudia 575.5 billion.
Great.
Give me missing me no and name her. Nadine and your friend Dr.
Well, in all, let me just say something again.
And I believe, say, you see, no, I see John Dramani Mahama because of say, according to Onono, Mahama can send me a one to me.
Sir,
you will be a Ghana Hanum say, what can't or share about 1 minute swa a your mobile. A Yakufuado and a Baumia. A Kufuado share a share Yankupon, a bo. He promised God Almighty say, that was
his personal promise.
Exactly, I'm coming there with a Nabutramami, daddy. was say woman some be be a gun man penia. Messi as what I am. And nay, Aminuka say. Akufo do ba wo hye Nyankopon even Nyankopon God Almighty himself no what ma disable hye so na ko hebe bia a judge for adan kama ne wo ho no mu a ye tu o mu free ho no bubu sa adan ni nyina gu enai aka almost 1 year na Akufo do free aban mu I am na kese e na yetu e da ho no ye nya hwe wo no enti e bokra wo mu hye Nyankopon wo mutimi ni sa hye so na bo be no mu hye Ghana for mutimi di so Nyankopon kwa ye hye no bo wo mutimi ni so sa krofo ye krofo ayetimi ye was ye gi wo mu di Ghana hye wo mu sa na
okay you know a branding to no maybe say me next give just only two topics because you didn't come early and maybe say come on back start wo so wadaroma you know no two simpany for as a nijabo mumu because His Excellency former president say Obabe shifts on economies I mean kind of sa wosha sebie so sebie nya do hwetimamufo se ne ya brabo ya sitensity ne se ne ye nuoma ya ye betimi aye say ye day and night edwuma ye betimi
lady very quickly
I know you go back to him before you come out to your
definitely.
I know. What if you don't read better?
Was say, Sebi, ya bobosia free 120 billion no mojato. The Ghana ni bebusa na so mo buy no na se na na da ho. Then do 10 billion crowd. And mo de ko 120 billion. Ya buy na inflation na say na 15.4%.
Okay.
Ya buy na growth rate say na 3.4%. Sa no mojaye.
Okay.
So what is here? Now, ye peje mu no, every 2017, 18, 19, 20 no, before the COVID no. Na se ne emutie.
Aban bia ba no kwa osweja aka. Ubia nka se me ba ne skada hoda.
Thank you. Enti so o ma Ghana fo hu ni say, omuja 3.4 growth no. Ye raise ya ma ne ko 7%. So what is here?
Yeah.
Sa inflation no omuja 15.4% no. Ye drop na ma ne ba single digit.
Okay.
So these are some of the things that ye can answer. And tell me, cause me economist.
Okay.
But economy for no, account mudu omun koma. So butterfly effect no. And the kind ne Russia, Ukraine, ne COVID no. E ma nyoma essay.
Okay.
But and she share ye na chese say no. Ye nyoma ye den. E to turn up. Economy ni peja. Bibia is stable. The CDI is stable. Na so unze na so what say dollar amount for ye mu dede. Because of adwene a edasunya so a adwene. Any the vice president or the a year oil for gold, no, and also gold for oil in the buyer, and let's say dollar, no, are stable. These are some of the things that we are talking about.
Can it be possible for us to do this shifting job?
Lady, you must say, your person at the same. And she say, be an no year 2 or mere walk on, where 2 or 3 says because what for the page, so we also look at revenue.
Of course.
Obaba Bosen or bet you and also any. Now, so Combusan is an source any every heaven. Ah, you know my mun like de bia ka say wo share your friend is your public sector na nipa omuwo mu no edoso to the sense say your revenue no kra yenya no chunk of it ne ekofo your friend is your public sector ah ya kotua ne de kaka anya sa na ya di hu dia aka no esabi ye loans a ya gigye no dodo na so so koho enti kakra bi e ka no enso ma ye mfa nya enwuma emma oman no so at the end of the day no you're resorted today loans. Let me say an community.
Me patron.
TUC. Na simple for no business. Okay, open here. What beka dey? Was it 24 hours? And then you know, public sector no sha. Omo na almost by 600,000. Anameboa.
Yeah.
Ejuma for no almost by 600,000.
Yeah.
And it's 600,000, you know. Now because omo ba be run shift. And it's that shift now we can once you know. Yebza be benya another 600,000.
Okay.
Abna Yesu say your revenue and I say even your percentage to your friends the GDP no crowd from in the sub-Sahara Africa no lady your revenue no it's not up to 18%. The whole Africa ye womu ye revenue no sika ye nya also aman no it's not even up to 18%.
So we can't do it.
Lady ente na make us mpenifo na so ko mubusa ne so opani ya ha na obegina aka say what develop a dead ghost syndrome sika yenya oso man ye revenue ye gege enum bi na yenya edi tua adwumaye foka
and then now we see a shift no sa shift no wo source ne dean sika no kofa na he na duatuaka
from the source na ka wo hu se ka bema mabnuso anya adwumaye. Don't you think so?
Lady, so obi benya adwumaye no eya aban bia ani da so.
Yeah.
Eya aban bia vision. Sa at least no menye bibia ememu no be den e benya adwumaye ana ante sa.
Me patron.
Ba yembu se ye ho se. Se sa kwan no yensa se bi se bi yensa no eso ye tidware ana. Se ka se ye ko shift na eni no ye ten so se ye sika ye ba yensem aso man no esua.
Okay.
Enti yentimi entua kayiye. Sika ba yensem aso man esua. Enti oman no infrastructure no kra no yentimi nya na se de esipe. Enti ene no ye resort to loans. Ye kwaje loans no so na eyese yetua. Enti ye nni nkomo se ye hwe kwan a ye alist no loans ye je no kra no. Ka ye mpe kwan bia ye bete so. Se de be a daache no nchirimba na ombeba no. Ye nje kan twitwiri die ento ho. Enye sa nkomo na yese edi ana. Because ene yese ye GDP.
Yeah.
Percentage of GDP na yese ay less than 18%. And Africa nyina no. Sebio ye kra na sebi ye revenue no. Ewo from kra. Enti sa sika na mimi busa se ye kofa no ehe na die tuaka. Enti na ese mpelifo no busa.
But nka wo hwe makobi so bebi sase free SHS buy force nka na na so kwakonya ne fan e de aye. Let's see what I say. So kind of like a cut.
No, lady, say ye buy ye. Yente so se aban ya begina bedwoma aka sese bio. Sika e so wodi tua e free senior high school no. Sa ye we die we nyantua ana meboa. Ana ntesa.
Yeah.
Wotimi tua. Eno do so da nchen a aban so introduce BEC fu a omokotiro mo fees omotiro nyina no. Registration fees so aban no fine.
Okay.
Past questions are se bia ne aban to ye nyina no se aban nka se we nye sika amfa ntua ana meboa. Aban kire source a ode ye ene ye oil a na ye tui. Se ye nya so mfa so.
Tinko no so nchire no source.
What I say ye nya so mfa so.
Yeah.
Enti ko no so nchire source se bia me ba ba ni 24 hours yi no.
Yeah.
Sa o mo be nwumre no. Aha na mefa sika na efrie. E dia ye. Nje me ka say onze se kwatro ko so obema ntoma. No ende. Na se ka wotie ni di. Ana meboa. Enei papa yi wa be ye bia ma yehu.
Sure.
Emranti doctor Eken was say. Was say according to research no. A kire se emranti ni wie school a. So mo tifie. Kakra bi ni 6.3 as 6.5 ni nya adwuma ye. Over 100 and your friends at 10,000 no. Say omunye adwuma nye over nti sa 6.5 no. A omunye adwuma na ye bu so omo say. Omo te apem no. E da no mo ye de bo Ghana fo. Oh, anti sa mo bo hye no Hope City ya papa be kan ye se ni nyina wantimensi. What kind Hope City?
Where dey obetimi aye.
Hope City sa what kind?
Yes, I do. I do.
Sogli. Housing. What's o ja no?
Yes.
Tepa. Ye ba ye na ye be commission you. Wantimi anwie.
Doctor Abramo.
Your friend say be kwai hospital. Wantimi anwie.
We go on and on.
Na wantimi anye.
But say
Kejetia. Wantimi anwie na e be wie yo.
Omo so betimi awie o. E be say cathedral cry.
O cathedral wa o ka say ye personal pledge. Personal pledge. Anya social contractor. Ye ne Ghana for hye ye. Ghana for so tia say it's not part of our manifesto. President na no free say. Me see cathedral. Amanyame ahye nyamkopen enimonyam because mama medi edi o man no so
many projects abano so didn't saka edi a ono so no ontimi wi obetimi
ja. Ontimi on for mon kope ya ye bebre.
Doctor come right for me.
Lady.
Doctor.
Doctor Samasa. Ne Samasa.
Doctor come on. Aya osiki card nsem fa do. I am asifem. So because I don't know we said a very simple question, but I know you know. 777 prayer say Ghana for Mufanchebe. Na
I say
Ghana 40 years.
Normal.
Ghana 40 years.
Broni. Or say time
is money. Yeah.
A bread sika.
Yeah, doctor.
Each day be I 24 hours in a room. Out of that 24 hours, you dey 8 hours spend a year.
Yeah.
8 to 5, and I'm talking about formal sector.
Sure. 8 to 5. Yeah.
And 9 to 5.
8.
Okay. After 8 hours, 16 hours na kano. Lady, you must say, yeah, the day.
Okay.
Obroni si time is money.
And say no,
and I come out every say I will say no be say he fany be just get time now you wasting. You say yes, you waste his time now is can you wasting it. You be making use of hard time no. So we are juma 8 hours, which is let's say 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 now 8 hours now. Average person so or that 8 hours.
Yeah.
From let's say 10 to 5 a.m. There, no sorry.
Sure.
And you see another 8 hours. Into why you do 8 hours? What that 8 hours? 16 hours. 8 hours now can hear then as or mine. You wasting what? You are John Dramani Muhammad says, time is money now. Time no so you wasting no. You say no, you be monetizing your time no. You be creating employment. It is not rocket science. We in a idea. You know people before no. As soon as I won't tell you. So, time is money. We are going to monetize that time now. You're wasting additional 8 hours now. You find you know. You be what private sector no. And you are buying a baby new private sector. You be what private sector no. Oh, I'm on my head. Let me create employment.
Okay.
Factory nanka close number 5 o'clock. Wapon watutu na pon woko fie no. This time we want to be. And he said the workers say if I say 100,000 this time we will need another 100,000 be more so aba be adwuma and adwuma ni nyina we ya dia obusa wonti ase say me henfa no work first care free na henfa he ko for kwesi family and very simple analogy
na don kwaku fado his excellency ka so be free SHS no na most mo bisa ye say henfa no be nyiska so they are also right to ask say henfa no be nyiska dia fan so we cut across
you see and in any case no like I've told you no you see you think to generate money
okay.
The biggest resource I owe my ways, and you go do, and you diamond, and you oil now you too, as we have seen.
Okay.
Time. We are shifting to the time economy.
Sure.
I mean, the same in our fourth industrial revolution was it.
Yeah.
And you know that topic, that answer I can was it. Can make say you better delve deep into because a topic be very much interested in. Dr. Boromian and Anam say digitization.
Give the right names, please.
I mean, he's a borrower. That's all. As head of economic management, he's the biggest borrower.
So for that one, they are
so the point is that you have monetized time.
Okay.
Additional 8 hours now you wasting on this time no. Ebe create adwuma ma emabunu create adwuma ma mabunu na disika ba mabunu ye bottom companies no so betua more tax ebe ba aban fotuom aban so benya sika companies benya sika mabunu benya sika kromu be ye de asam ne tie amenua
simple
ma tie fo mbramu
come on we come in or she go
oh yes
come on
lady who's a NDC for ho nkwanta yero mo ntem
oh did you say that
oh yes ideas na sa omuni hebi yes and enye John Dramani Muhammad ka kire say he's not a magician to create jobs mbra pressure no e call no so bebre no enye sa no ka kire
say what say he can do it
John Dramani Muhammad
e kwa meso
wa ka bibia sa never said it anywhere
oh yes lady me too
mbra
na me kire say I'm telling you for a fact
okay
was one magician no I didn't wa create jobs lady John Dramani Mahama there ha adwene bebre ne say Ghana for enim ne pa omunim ne pa medical culture say wo bo vice president din a wo nyuma bebre a wo de be pata no
okay
and I say vice president eboro so on president on a president
no
he is the head of the economic management
that is where you get it wrong.
But everybody knows.
Lady, wadaroma. I know. Lady, what way? Obetima shebe abrenti bi woni je no ho.
Yeah.
So woni na ahyehyɛ some member wa. Ebi o papa betima gan say there be lady, papa idi abrenti idi ni nyino say. Ma me hu bibu onu ntime mepe. Obetima gya o ma waware no.
Pacho.
Vice President, otufo a ekɔ cabinet.
Yeah.
The cabinet ni be gya atumu no. And answer the president no person wo ye no na obeye.
Sure.
We should get it right. Me too for no one fast and by force.
Sure.
Me by car metima me de buy. Say mate no catch driver ni say driver yi passengers so obesi wa ha. Baby, I drive a nipa on no bejina.
Sir.
What just what they say. And we cast our boro. When your president won't borrow, president in the boro.
Okay.
And I'm a boy.
Okay.
And it's sanity. Hey, what that be? You're friend for.
Yeah, my time is getting, you know.
Doctor, Mr. Afra for person. So, Auntie, that be Doctor Asa. Yeah, you did come on. So, Auntie lady, very good.
Time na me man will be when I say well,
Mr. I get
so me time na me. Me can say telephone.
Auntie lady, me demand we say no. Medical busa say. One chile baby or this can be free because as I speak with you now, you were 13.9% to our GDP.
Okay.
And why my yes I shift now more canon. Oh, and tomorrow member 2 foot wrong Ghana for any and but that die said the maybe or more you know. Send him in a trim. Your digital world. But what I say about me, you know. And then about me, you know.
Somebody my dream said, yeah, Baba. Couple of messages. No, doctor, please let me go. Okay, 1 second, go. Quick. Is it why? Okay, let's do it quickly.
30 seconds.
Okay.
You see, was it Baumia as head of economic management team? No, he's not responsible for the EU.
Yeah.
Person me says you do Ghana for who say. Now, Osaye, chairman of the MPP Manifesto Committee.
Okay.
Manifesto na umudi bu man nyina ne Baumia na na da no.
Okay.
What you say? It is a my friend Boromia. It is apt.
As for the borrower, I will not allow you to call him.
Simple. That is the best legacy.
I will not allow you to call him.
Or the Jakana for any.
What is Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia?
10 minutes. Yvonne or there. Yvonne, my sister, good morning, Sister Diane. Of course, and your entire crew. Keep up the great work. Thank you so much. Baby says, let me tell you, Diane, allow the MPP man to talk because we have seen His Excellency. Oh, please. Hello, good morning.
Hey, MPP Nino. It's Renwa. Morning, MPP Nino. Miss Renwa, Momunani Marco. Momunani Marco. Na Alaji Baumia. Also the drone aba. Or do you have a Nadia or one abaso? No money at the Japan and the Yapakusha Kufa. One Ghana for double standard there. Omana say he is the head of Ghana economic team. Oba yes the whole year economic journey said number. What some my economy is was just digital. May catch a digital system. Dr. Parker Singing and the Ghana and they take it and issue MPP. Both beyond your knowledge about the digital was them. Parker Singing, I Dr. Parker Singing about digital and the it's a sure no on your NPP and the one I just returned from up the Baumia. And the money Mahama basic digital center. Momo be and catches a digital system no and the NDC and NPP for there. Dr. Parker PPP and the Bagana. It is the issues for the more about the Subakasa. More be and fast as the Canada they say NDC for the NPP for an digital system was created by Dr. Kwasi Ndi. And then the more fun to fun. Now, me catch MPP, and they say, I don't go to pure tobacco. Now, 10 pesos and 50. Or peso uncle to Docono, and then the back Docono, obedi, Bono, Baco, 4. I have 20 cities. 20 cities and making 20 dying. Marie, bye bye.
For contribution, also there, but also with me, the Wadrin Shaban. Jay says that, of course, a concert. No, all here what you know. About give me now. This one I am skipping it to the next one. With me, is it says that system work.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Diane. Good morning.
Matthew, could you a message no?
Or to one of the some more kind of we are vice president now, Casa, and I am Fadia, and no president. The same people and I have a amount. Never was treated the ama the Papa, they will say about me and the end of the year. Put the ama a president, say near president. You are also aware head of economic team. Did you now? I said, I was saying, who can them the IMFA? Then I walk as the ambulance radio, you buy. Then I walk as the drum radio, you buy. Then economy said, president, not buy. Yeah, I'm saying, we have to organism, you know, we are on the position.
All right then, yeah, that's it for Adrian so there, but be part of the phone in free. I come in 6 more minutes to go, so call me and let's go. Koowaa or home television, and I will be streaming live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me don't patch out in baby afraid me free.
My favorite kunso, my name is John.
Patch you in Tiwano pay.
My person will be empty now. I never be a book. Nipana Castle or bar obey. Oh, my umbrella. I go for a castle or bar obey free education. Sir, Obia, who be one of the senator or bar or first kind of free. Or no, in baby or bar or first kind of free. Into no castle or bar obey. Or by so way. Into an issue so about bar and sister, one of the first kind of free. The woman or better one to me and ya. Yeah, I want to want to me and you. But I say, we can offer first can I throw a throw for the air. And that's what be a control. I'm going to turn and go control. And look, I say a genetic.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get about, but I said, I'm going to go on. I said, no, everything there. I'm an at all.
Okay, I don't know. Make us to be a personal, you know, promise no make here. It wasn't for the whole nation, so yeah, share also. So I'm not defending though. Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But you didn't be a friend free.
My question number 4.
But you didn't say what no pay.
I'm getting from work and I am a car. Position straight to call my new hire, you know. I know my head, Papa. I'm easy to hold position.
All right, simple and short. Well, you're quitting from me na yenim. I have this message. Oh, why are you saying this? This is an mess. Says that allow the NDC man to talk because but as for doctor, the mama na kasasa and I'm oh. I did. I allowed doctor to talk because doctor has a lot to say, but it's like you are supporting the MPP man. Oh, Mama Nyesa, I'm Nyesa. Where the obwa? Good morning, Bibi. Good
morning.
Good morning, City. Dini baby, me free. Okay.
Yeah, that's what John Germany Mahamani said. So, what should be the mayor for Pratt? I'm bringing a call family. Woman, on and you do a brutal woman. Would you obey what if you cut off? I thought if I am from some cry. Whenever I got to pray, the permanent, or when we are too rare, we can walk up with. One thing I know to my crash to be good, you can walk on the fire, what is one and I'm more. I said I was that now about the table. When I retired prayer, they say, 8 months I said, really, I think do that now. We don't think about the board or about the time. Yeah, no, yeah, but you didn't get that to say. I will meet you. When you were pushing a town of Proba, what time ending to for? All people just do a name and cut a problem to find fire box and why not think so? And the other person, when I retired prayer, one Wabet now could manage to catch when you're on the one time and on come from the rest. Now the Akano, young popular in money.
Okay, well, I drink and with the Abba. My last call. I think something for call baby more. I should pick a last call. Okay, fine. Last call. I'm now sorry me days. So I believe I'm not going to read a lot of messages today. More fine and chemi me brain. I'm back on Facebook Live. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, City.
Ngoko.
Papi wa no pay.
Doctor, any simile, no man in Casacra, I know everything. Oh, simile Casapra, not the one not any simile into Casapra, not the one not. And they, oh, sweetie, program night.
But your men for baby, why? Doctor, and to see a doctor who buy a magic juice sway. Mummy, come on, magic Munina, the same cry, lady, come on, lady, come on, come on,
okay, lady, William, that's part of the game.
Mamma, have propaganda.
Doctor says, so, Doctor also my interjected song. Okay, now I very quickly. Just men carry. Okay, just a second now with your mamma. Okay, who's your friends, the lady make her say, John Ramani Mahama, Bosha now, Koshe, lady would have shady be. Statutory payment in Koowaa, your GIA, you 24.9%.
Okay.
And wages and salaries, you 27.3%.
Okay.
What can you now boom? You see, I also mine. What can you now boom? You 101.7%.
Okay.
And then maybe say, so Yampa. Don't
find a free. Oh, no, baby, we are find a free. Doctor.
Electoral college we are journalists for central for we are central for kubisa kufa bi say yura ezi guy na o man mu ayedi o na wo ye dey wase ya mejitu mu man mu ayeshipa na emum media mamu na agye nsem enti no ye twan the next president ya obeba be obeba be ye fi sa wa kanasa na kana fo nyina nim say bia enka wo ye dey
but come on enka say pacho enka say
one kanasa
come on
let your man follow say no now afo mu hura
but you nim say say na apprentice no wo dey ba no be kan master no krapo ana ye dey na apprentice
and as
oh go hwita no ofu ye go for na mu kura kwesi say
excellence
na boromia
I told you don't use the word boromia
asempetia lady asempetia yewra John Dramani Mahama say the obinya bi da no ba
great
we run shift economy night economy
great
be magana I sabe fa ne ntuma perfra
sure
Ghana ba be jira de now so
sure
emabunu benya adwuma ye sika be ko
obia bottom
aban so ebenya sika ade ayampuntu dwuma ama Ghana amfa ne ntuma perfra shift economy ya ye kai it is nothing new for Gulf countries now they do it one so say awia na no hye ho nti on daytime no economic activities na wo form pa but night time wo ko night that time no na amanfo pie ebeye omun eniema panyina
sika no ko fa na
enti sa asema yewura
jo baba buse na etia na say revenue
e fa na aye bi pen wa aye bi pen
so all right then take you off of course come on Mohammed come on IT representing the MPP Ashanti Regional Communication Team member Sansom and EA Morrison and also Ashanti Regional NDC Communication Team member and ope omienu and many omo edi juma madam nyina se mo amofre mo montimi amfre wa do message ba mentimi anka me pacho fache me ochina meka ni nyina ede ama of course as if you say enkoma yaboafo a omo so yasemi edi juma de ebrewa ye odifo awinfo ba Samson Kweku yeboa sanso and Dorifa Vigo platform so no ye beda wo say production crew for this morning executive producer for the show Ura Samdakus the CEO himself ono and Okunchin Sam egu krata so man betna ha Bremo sanso and I'm director always remain the adorable Akwesi Adomako Junior Ojim and me producer for the show the darling Jake himself ono and producer me ma just bibia etuto na kwemo MCR famous and a face out and making sure the pictures bibia ebekwa bontne ama na ye fefefe midi edi Diane eduhene Jemfi kwatena kosia ewia don kosia me e Kumasi 104.1 me Kumasi kwanso dwumede no eba besom pacho yakram bye